Hello friends. So today in this video we are going to talk about Vistaprint. What exactly is the Vistaprint? Vistaprint is an online software, or it could be a website, okay, where you can order your photo album. You can order that and you can arrange the photos in your own way, and you can create album and you can just place the order. So it is simple. It is not much complicated, and it will cost you little less, because you are doing most of the things, okay, and they are just charging you for a printing, not less, okay, not other things. So you have a multiple things. You can go to this site and you will observe multiple things, or many things are available. You can get it done first, banners, and so it contain everything. Whatever you think about, it could be the photo on a mug, or it could be a calendar, notebook, diaries, labels, flyers, anything. It contain everything basically. So now where we are interested is basically in a photo album. So if you can directly go over here, or you can type in a search window as well. You can type, let's say, photo album, and you will get this. So you can click over here, or you can directly go from here as well. So both the things will work, and it will go to the same page. So here it says that you have different options for your album, okay, and the quality of that print is will be very good, as shown in the picture. It will be, yeah, you will basically satisfied with it, okay. So, and the details of that album, how, what and all things it will contain, it will be given over here. Let's say the 8 photo album size and layout, okay, full color printing, 24 page to 120 page, 3 album cover option, line, leather, and photo. So all the things are given over here, okay. And what will be the quality is, it will be the 2200, sorry, 200 GSM paper, okay. And here, as they said, online and offline design option are available. So there are two things. Let's say if you wanted to design it online, so what I will prefer is that you basically don't do online, because once you do online there could be a mistake. It will be a bit difficult to correct it, and yeah, it is basically not that much great as you think. But if you can directly download the window version of that software, then that software will be downloaded, and then you can design your photo album there itself. So I would prefer to go ahead with this window, or let's say download, and you can download the software and make your own design. So I will just show you the one sample over here which I already created, okay. So, and later on, based on that, you can just decide whether you wanted to go for. So this is the album. I just uploaded all the photos over here, okay. It looks quite good actually. Photo I have taken directly from the Facebook, okay. And yeah, it looks basically good according to me. And there are multiple options available in this software. You can choose any of this. There are multiple things available. You can explore each and everything. You can, generally I will show you that how exactly it will work. So if you go to the Vista print site, okay, and if you go to start designing, it will ask you to upload the 24 photos, and the price will be the 610 rupees, okay. And it will show you exactly the how exactly it will look, okay, and you can just confirm that, and you can just place the order. So that's all you need to do. And here it will, you get two option in the software also. It says smart assistance, where it will automatically arrange your photos and show you how exactly it will look. If you wanted to do manually, you can select this, start an empty book, and you can decide how exactly you wanted to place. But this feature will work perfectly. It is very good feature, and you make use of it actually. So it will, and then you can, at last you can go for your manual edit. So that option is also fine. So that also you can do. This is the online mode where you can add a photo, okay, add your all the photos, and then it will show you how exactly it will arrange it, and it will show you how exactly it will look like. And then final step will be to place the order, okay. So that's all you need to do, and I think it is a great way to handle it. If you wanted to print, then let's, if you wanted